Hi everyone, welcome back to Market Show channel. If you're interested in earning money online, we are talking about more than $500. We are talking about $1,000. If you're interested in that, or you want to earn money every month online, you're in the right place. You know the objective and the goal of the Market Show. Today I'm going to show you how to make money with ClearVoice. ClearVoice is a top platform for freelancers looking to get paid for their creative skills as far as writing and making content is concerned. Whether you are a writer, whether you're a designer, are you a digital marketeer, ClearVoice offers fantastic opportunities or to earn significant income from home. So when we talk about ClearVoice, we'll be in this video, we'll be looking at various things. What is ClearVoice? We'll be looking at how can you earn money from ClearVoice and how can you join ClearVoice without forgetting how exactly can you get your rewards, can you get your money from ClearVoice. But before that, before I dive into a deep conversation with you, I would love to wish you a very nice, beautiful week, a very nice, beautiful weekend, a very nice, depending on the day you're going to watch this video. But for now, I would like to say blessed new month of August. You people, we love you so much. As the Market Show, you know, one of our objectives is to make sure that you have access to income, you have access to money with or without a job. What is that phone you're holding really doing? Is it giving you money or it is just giving you a gist? So what about that phone you're holding? Do you have internet? If you know you have internet, please, you're in the right place. Reach near and we do this money. Let's make this money. So what are we talking about ClearVoice? We are talking about the ClearVoice. Let's dive in and explore how you can start earning today, not tomorrow. I'm talking about today. Let's first see what is ClearVoice. You guys, ClearVoice, sorry for that. ClearVoice is an online marketplace that connects freelancers with clients in need of high quality content. From writing blog posts, creating digital marketing strategies, ClearVoice is a great way to monetize your talents. You want to be part of it? Yes, I know you want to be part of it. As long as you're watching me, most of you, you know what we call content creators. You've seen what we are doing. You've seen the companies doing it. You've seen companies advertising their products. But do you know what is the manpower behind this? The manpower behind it are the content creators, are the writers, are the blog makers, are the digital marketeers, all of them. But now we come here and we say you can do it from home without going to send your CVs and drop your hard copies. No, without going to face challenges in walking up and down. We bring you to your doorstep. We bring you to your screen where you are that you can apply from today. You know, every person has one or two of the elements that ClearVoice really makes you earn money from. Let's now continue and say you can earn more than 1,000. You can earn 500. I always tell you it depends on what exactly and how do you want to do it. So when you station yourself and say, no, I want to get this amount of money at the end of the month, you will earn enough money from this platform. I know there are some doubting Thomases who are always saying, no, these things, they don't work because we want to click on the computer and immediately we see the money rolling. No, it doesn't work like that. Even the mere job, the ordinary jobs, we go and submit our application, the 9 to 12 hour jobs, we put extra energy to make sure that we don't get loss of pays, and we make sure that we get incentives, we make sure that we get money at the end of the month. Now, when we talk about this, what exactly, how do you do it? You people, the best part of it here, you can earn money each month if you're consistent and you're strategic in your approach, as we'll be seeing how it will be. Now, you people, I know you're still wondering what is this ClearVoice. But before we go to ClearVoice, let me first take you in the first one, how to sign up for ClearVoice. I want you to go to your browser and you put there www.clearvoice.com. The moment you get www.clearvoice.com, a search interface will come. When the search interface comes, scroll down and you go to sign up button. The moment you reach sign up button, click OK. You will need to create a portfolio. What do we mean by a portfolio? They will show you everything that you're supposed to put. You have to create a portfolio that showcases your skill showcases your previous work, showcases your potential, showcases your hobbies and your strength to what extent you can do, such that the clients can be much interested in you. Make sure to include your best samples. Now here comes you people, because if you know you're a content creator, if you know you're a blog writer, you know you're a digital marketeer, you can do graphics. I know you've been doing them. These are the things you've been doing every day. You can add, you can also go ahead and put some samples and describe your expertise clearly. Now here we come, and I also advise you, you can even, if you know you've been doing it well on your platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Popo Life, all TikTok, you can also attach all this such that the clients can develop more urge, and even they feel like having you. This portfolio will be your key of attracting higher paying gigs. When we talk about higher paying gigs, you will be knowing that they will be posting the gigs here on this platform, on the ClearVoice. So because you have a strong portfolio with the samples of what you've done already, it will make you attract more tasks. So take your time to make it properly and let it look professional, not just rushing it. Another step we're going to talk about today, you people, I want you to give me your time, because these days we don't want to rush. We want to go step by step with you on how to make money without going to look for a job, without going outside, just seated at the comfort of your home, holding that phone, make money online, make money with these tasks, and make money with surveys and even writing. The second part is for you. You need to set up, the moment you set up your portfolio, you can right away start applying for assignments. ClearVoice opens up and operates on a bidding system where you can browse available jobs and submit your proposals. When applying, make sure to tailor your proposal to the specific job. Highlight your relevant experiences and how you can add value to that project. As we have said, you're going to be exposed to many gigs, but what you do, you need to make specific proposals for different tasks. Like for example, someone, don't make only one. If someone brings up, you want someone to write blogs, please don't put there another one which is general, like for maybe doing thumbnails. If someone comes up and said, I want someone who is going to write for me posts, I want someone who's going to do for me graphics, at least you have to do depending on expertise and even the job being applied. So make sure you include your best samples and describe properly what exactly you're going to do. These proposals, please make sure that they're highlighting your relevant experiences and how to add value to these projects. You people, this is a very great gig, and I've seen people who have earned a lot of money. I've not started on it, but I'll be starting it. But we're now going to do it together, and we'll see how much we can earn. You people, when you're consistent, you can easily earn $1,000, $500. To focus on high paying gigs, make much use skill set, please. Because now, for example, me, if I go there and I find something like to write about social media platforms, how to earn on Facebook, how to earn on YouTube, how to earn on apps, it will be easier for me. I'll specialize in that because I'm already getting experience out of it and how to write the proposals. So jobs on ClearVoice vary in price, you guys. It's not that they have one price, these jobs, but many pay well. Do you know all of them? If you get one gig, it pays more than 100 per assignment. So I put, if this assignment you can do every week, you do like 5 assignments, that is $500. $500 in a week, in a month, you'll be earning more than $2,000. So guys, make sure that you take up the gig that is more high paying if you know it is exposed to you, and also if you know that you can do it. If you can secure a few of these each month, you'll easily hit your income goals. This is our target now, that I always do, that I have to make sure that we do it. You people, and now let's go to the best practices, because I know some people are like, how do I do it? Is it really easy for me to get $2,000, to get $1,000 online with this ClearVoice? Yes. Yes, I'm going to list for you some of the best practices that I really sat down and I'm like, how do these people get money out of this? They are mostly common like any other platform. Because if you don't have these best practices, everything will crumble for you. These are the people that come back on the comment section and oh, they go to my DM and they say, no, this thing is not working. It is bring little dollars. No. Please, the first best practice is to keep your portfolio updated. My learned friends, whether you learned whenever you went to school or you didn't go to school, but you can have a chance of writing, of making graphics and other things, always make your portfolio be updated. How do you update it? Because if I've done a task today and that gig got me some $300, I'm going to update it and put it there. If I've gotten another skill today, I got a certificate online, or maybe I attended a seminar, did I get anything like an award on recognition, I come back and update it and I put it there. So please regularly add new work samples to showcase your latest project. This keeps your portfolio fresh and appealing to potential clients. The second best practices, I love it so much, build strong relationship with clients. How do you do this? We have done it, you people. You know, building strong relationship is the key to everything, to every successful woman, every successful man, whether you're into business, whether you're into anything, you have to do that. If a client likes your work, I'm telling you, they will give you more assignments. They even go up. They even give you high quality work. At the same time, they even refer you. Particularly, they refer you, they'll ask, I need Christine to do this work for me. So please deliver high quality work on time and communicate clearly to build a lasting relationship. The third one you should really mind about and keep as a best practice is apply for jobs regularly. Don't just wait for jobs to come to you. Be proactive and apply for new gigs frequently. The more you apply, hey, the more chances you will land nice paying work. Yes, the fourth, you people diversify your skills. The more skills you can offer, the more opportunities you have. Consider expanding expertise into related areas, you people, like managing social media platforms or COOs to increase your value on the platform. Right now, if you really find you get Christine and the person who can say, okay, I'll write for you blogs. After writing for you blogs, but I have experience in looking, in at least knowing, managing social media. How do I manage it? I can look for the SEOs. I know I'm very good at that. I can increase value as far as your reach is concerned. I can increase engagement. It means they're going to get real interested in you. The last but not least is set competitive rates. You people, when bidding on jobs, ensure your rates reflect the quality of your work. Don't undersell yourself, but also remain competitive with the market. The marketplace to attract clients. You guys, this is so good. Before we go to the interface, how it looks like that, how to start, I know you are still itching. Say, you Christine, if I get this 2,000 or 5,000 of mine dollars from this platform, how will I access it? Can I tell you, this is one of the platforms I can give it. I'm going to give it no, I'm going to give it 7 out of 10 ratings. That the moment you work your money today and you are proved everything is okay, your money can be deposited to your account instantly. But the question is, which account is this? The account is PayPal account. You can make it, you can make your payments be processed through PayPal account. So if you know you have a PayPal account, when you're going to do registration, you're signing up, please attach it there. And also, if you don't have it, you can go and make it. So make it easy and secure to receive your money by putting this PayPal account. Once work is approved, the payment will be added to your ClearVoice account. They are not going to send it to you direct. They are going to put it on ClearVoice account. Then ClearVoice account is going to transfer directly to your PayPal account. The process, you guys, is straightforward. There is no corner. It is transparent. Recently in our videos, there's someone who was like, okay, do you think they are going to ask me money for participating? No, they are not going to cut your money. You're going to get your money openly and directly. Now, having said that, I would love to go with you and I show you the interface of how, again, it looks like that. When you join in, you're going to find a search interface of ClearVoice. ClearVoice looks like this. So what you do, you go and sign in, start the work. Start the work by what we've said. Yo. Thank you very much, guys. And that's it, by the way. There are various steps I've given you. You can earn more than $500 in particular. You target 1,000, but most people have been getting also 2,000 every month on ClearVoice. Whether you're looking for a full-time income or just a side hustle, ClearVoice offers flexible and profitable way to make money for you and me. I'm so much interested in it, and I'm feeling so excited to start it with you. You guys, if you know you have found you've just gotten something from this video, and you can appreciate me by giving me a thumbs up, don't mind also, don't forget and mind to go and share this video to somebody, because it might be a bridge to someone to chase poverty and lack out of herself. Thank you very much. Give me a thumbs up and see you. Subscribe to this channel for more tips on how to earn money online. Thanks for watching. Let me see you in another video. Bye bye.